I saw a video on TikTok the other day of a girl making homemade lunch meat, and considering Costco here in South Florida hasn't had my favorite organic sliced turkey meat in ages, I'm gonna make my own. And I just got back from Costco. I got the organic ground turkey thighs. I got this crazy piece of machinery for making lunch meat on Amazon. Let's give it a shot. I'm gonna transfer a pound of the ground turkey thigh to this bowl. By the way, how do you know this is turkey thigh? It doesn't say it on here. You know by the ratio of fat to meat. 93 lean, 7% is turkey thigh. 99.1 would be turkey breast, which is too lean for me. I want some fat. Fat is flavor. So 1 pound goes in the bowl. To season, I'm gonna add a nice pinch of salt, a few cracks of black pepper, about a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and about a half a teaspoon of onion powder. So I'll mix that very nicely so it's incorporated. So this is the contraption from Amazon. I'll put the link for that down below. I'm gonna spray it with the Costco avocado oil spray, just so my seasoning sticks to everything. I'm gonna crack a ton of pepper into here. Actually, if we use roses, we can multitask. So I'm gonna use oregano also. You can use any dried herbs you have. I wouldn't use fresh maybe. Thyme and a touch more salt. Then I'll just kind of gently drop it into the oiled up canister while I rotate it here. Okay, now we'll take our meatloaf here and just plop it in and wash our hands again. This could be the hardest part of the recipe so far, the washing. If you pay close attention to my videos, you'll always notice there's a rogue napkin on the floor. That's because I always dribble water and these floors stain like nobody's business. So if you leave the water, it leaves drop marks and it's very annoying. Back to our regularly scheduled program here. Now we take our contraption here that has the spring load. We put it down here, push it real good, and then we take the top part, compress it down, and lock it in. There we go. Now, there is one other thing you need. It came with a probe thermometer, but it was a cheapo. I'm gonna use my digital one instead. Let's go back to the stove. You don't want to boil. You want it to be a bare simmer. That's nice. Make sure you don't put too much water in to start because it will start to rise. Insert my probe thermometer in there. Attach it to the receiver here. Alert to go off at the safe temperature for turkey, which is 165. Timer is off at 165. It took 1 hour and 22 minutes. Very carefully evacuate the dance floor. Now here's the hard part per se. Once again, we don't want to stash this in the fridge until it's completely cooled down, and we can't demold it and slice it until tomorrow, which is fine because the slicer I got from Amazon is arriving then tomorrow. All right, friends, to the next day. I'm very eager to look inside. Check this out, Rose. Yesterday, I made lunch meat. Woo-hoo! Looks all congealed and everything like pate. You gotta run it around the edges there. Yeah,
that's what you were planning, and I were thinking the same thing as you.
Good to know. We got the top piece off there. Do you hear that? Do you hear that noise? That was really funny.
I'm not touching that. How do you get it out? How did you get it out?
Oh, that was really fun, Roz.
What?
Look at that. It's got some like gelatin that came to the side, which is totally normal. This arrived this morning from Amazon. It's a mandolin slicer. I wasn't gonna buy like a turkey slicing machine. This was like $39.
You ordered it like a month.
A month ago? Prime delivery for you. All right, we're gonna glove up.
So that doesn't scratch Daddy's finger?
Yes, this is actually a blade-proof glove here. I'm gonna adjust the setting so it gets nice and thick. How many pounds do you want, ma'am? 1 pound or 2 pound?
You pick.
I pick. I can't see down there, but is it working? Because it feels pretty good. It's good? Oh, snap! Look at that! Michael Jackson, we got turkey meat. It's turkey meat. What do you think? You like it? Oh, sweet. That's really good.
If I thought we were going to make a sandwich, that's what the Yang said.
And that's what we're doing right now. We'll take our siete tortilla and toast it on each side for a couple seconds. Rosie's gonna smear some mayonnaise on the tortilla. I'll slice some of that Kerrygold cheese, and Rosie will put it on.
This is gonna be mine.
Okay. And we'll put a few slices of the organic turkey meat on. All right, fold it up.
Like this.
Perfect.
Good gracious, tenacious.
And there it is. Our homemade turkey lunch meat, Costco-inspired wrap. I'm gonna see if it's dad approved too. Wow. That's delicious. Well, there it is, folks. Easy recipe. $4 a pound for organic turkey meat. And if your Costco doesn't have it, like mine hasn't had it for a year, here you go. Make your own in no time. Your kids can take it to school. Recipes in the post. Bye. Love you.